Hi. So in this video, we will look at the first example, example 1. So the question is, we have to look at the graph which is given below, and we need to find the number of zeros of the polynomial. So the first one. So what we can able to observe is the polynomial. This is p of x. The polynomial p of x. It is intersecting only at one point. It is intersecting only at one point. So how many zeros will be there? There will be only one zero. There will be only one zero. So it has got only one zero. The reason is it is intersecting only at one point. So it has got only one zero. So coming to the second one. So the second one is, so it is a quadratic polynomial. It is having a U shape, inverted U shape. So and also it is also meeting at, it is intersecting the graph at 2 points. So it can have at most 2 points. We know the quadratic polynomial will have at most 2 points. So it is since it is intersecting at 2 points, it is having two zeros. So coming to the third one, so this is a cubic polynomial. So what we can able to observe is it is intersecting at 3 points, point 1, 2, and 3. It is intersecting at 3 points. So the number of zeros are 3 here. The number of zeros are 3. So for the first problem it is 1, for the second problem it is 2 zeros, for the third one it is 3 zeros. So coming to the fourth one. So this is a linear polynomial. What we have to do is it has to intersect only the x-axis. We have to take the point where it is intersecting the x-axis only. Even though it is intersecting the y-axis, we should not take that. We have to come to the conclusion only with respect to the x-axis. So it is intersecting at only one point. So it has got only 1 0. And also it is a linear polynomial, which we know. And coming to the next one. So this one is a U shape. That means it is a quadratic polynomial, which we know. And it can have a maximum of 2, and also it can have 1 0 also. It is intersecting intersecting at only one point. It is intersecting only at one point. It is not intersecting at 2 points. Even though it can have two zeros, but this polynomial it is having only 1 0. Okay. Maximum is 2, but minimum can be 1 or 0 also. So it is having only 1 0. Coming to the next one, it is this polynomial is intersecting say 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it has got 4 zeros. So this polynomial has got 1 0. This one has also got 1 0. This has got 4 zeros. Okay. And the question they would have asked, like why we need to, the reason, because it is intersecting at only those points, 1 point or 2 point or whatever. Okay. That is our first example question. So in the next video, we will discuss about the example 2.1. Thank you.